Hi, hello, and welcome back to another new video of learning Excel from beginner level to the advanced level. So, in today's video, we will be learning about sort and filter. But before that, I would request you all to stay connected to this video till the end so that I can give you a pro tip by the end of this video how you can simplify your sort and filter. Uh, So, now let's get into the video. Here, first sorted filter is like you need to apply the filters for the very first column, which is like a headers. So one way is like you select the entire headers and then go to the home tab. Under the home tab, in the editing ribbon, you will be finding sort and filter. So from there, you can do a sort and filter by applying the filters first. So first you need to apply the filters, and once you apply the filters you can sort from oldest to the newest for the dates column, or you can go one by one and you can apply the filters for whichever you want as a priority. So this is like a single filter process, but wherein if you want to do a multiple sort and filter format, then select the entire data. Go to the sort and filter custom sort. When you go to the custom sort, you can go here and first you can arrange your first criteria, like if you want to sort based on the dates and based on the cell values, and if you want to do it oldest to the newest or newest to the oldest, so select that. Along with this, if you want to add the second criteria for multiple sorts, so click on the add level and then it will be adding another one. Now click on whatever the second criteria you want to apply the filters and then sort. So now here it's been organized like oldest to the newest for the dates, right? So for the customers you can come here and sort Z to A, that is newest to the oldest, and click on OK. Ta-da! We are done with the multiple sorting, but this is the process if you're very beginner. But what if you're expert? So when you're expert, you will not be choosing like I want to go here and I want to select manually and I want to do it, right. So for that purpose, what you can do is like for the single level one, you can click on Control Shift plus L. So it applies the automatic filters for all the headers. And from here you can sort it like oldest to the newest and newest to the oldest, or you can sort it based on the color formatting. Same is the case for this one as well, and for this one as well, this one as well. But what if you want to do a multi sorting at once but with the shortcut? So the shortcut is Alt. Once you click on Alt, click on H. H is a home page. Once you click on the home page, then click on S. Once you click on S, then select the custom sort. Custom sort is U. So once you select that, you can add the multiple levels by here, coming here. Hope this sounds exciting for you people. So here is an assignment for you people based on the sort and filter. Now this is a jumble data which is here, and I want this jumble data to be organized in this format, like wherein the date should be formatted in this way and the customer should be formatted as per this, and the product should be like this, and total should be like this. So display all the customer records where the customer name contains only star at any positions. So I don't want all of these things to be displayed. I only need the star mark. So this is your assignment. You need to sort this out by using sort and filter. Coming to the pro tip which I said you I will be giving about the sort and filter is like, always remember, if you want to learn the shortcuts of our home page or insert layout formulas, data review, view help. So do not go individually and select what are available here, but click on alt. Once you click on alt, first it shows which ribbon tab you want to select. So click on that. For example, I want uh, data. So I'll click on A. Once I click on A, then here get data from text to CSV. See, that is something different. From website is different. From table or range, that is different. So sort and filter again I need. So here again, coming to the data, I can do the sort and filter. So I'll select D as a sort and filter. So I'll be able to sort it out based on that. Hope you like this video, and for further updates like this, or if you want to learn Excel with me, then yes, please click on the subscribe button, and notification bar, give me a thumbs up. That motivates me to create more of such informative videos. And thank you so much for staying connected with me. We'll meet you in our next video.